Mesubinchia opa na bemu abaso papa de biaya na mekase modwuma yi enyanwa nwase yesemo na moye you know the fourth agent in the realm, you know, because amanyo yi nyina yekotra parliament de yekeka ebrofu bia mona mo je no mo achirichiri mu de sifom amatime mufo so atibi na yi nyina yetumi ayekabima minkebi no amana yi adwuma so ni ahomache so de nam
enya asem gifa ye bre pa wonna
eti ya bisramo kamun kan ho pa dia kabidi se de kabima minkebi yekebi ti mama official pa na enchia mo pa.
Honorable lawyer Kwabena Boateng and Honorable Kwabena Boateng Esquire. I know o kan is a lawyer for no ka Esquire no we bi we say no ma wo mu ezo mo ka o yemra hwe bedwani edema adehye wo Ejisu abato empesua so. Honorable mu akwa babiem
ya jara
nia ekoi emabunu enrade a na yehwe na Jacobu be potentin ho na areho itu na police no cry has to shoot one person. And ne sekan ene de ye recently enche ya fi no before say be call na wie na ye ayeduase ha me ne na kwadwuja nto akra ne tu ka ene ye kɔ na mabunu sekan omu de si ani nya asem geto mo wo mra hye bedwafie saadi ya ikoso yi ede na esi because mpesu ahodo no nkrofo wo so oman no ede na ekoso
biwa maminchia bikrum Josepho chia wo mo pa no pay chia miwa na fa no kisi ne me mame na ya santua semne die wobusa ne mekomu no doso mame fa free bambo SM ho,
right?
See some of these things, you know, I think see any bambo ho sem kakra bia e was it me see no money
security no.
Yes,
okay.
See what district bia you will be an officers etete national security officers,
okay.
Our madwuma ne say panie kura to for mo so mote it's your community no na gangs wo ho, and these are things ya o munye mfezi wo community no now intelligence officer nko adia what see we mu ye see na we mu so ye see mikai ye nyini no secondary school na yetete sa black culture no wa buti no a ye see jaru ne nkrofoni na hwan so ne nkrofoni o makohia wa ha twetwetu mo hia wo club ha twetwe sa ne ma ne nwene ye no ho na sha se free you sha se you know that kind of community gang no ne ade so we intelligence officer na wo community no mo sa de ma we nyina no e wo se wo CBC e wo se you should know,
okay,
because you do to community no and was a once a hagangwa we mu what is the history say that here the common course wo you should know say BBC e wo hwa the class will say siansana
yetu hwana mo
yate ho nkomo mpo se si nitina yewo you know national security for you to omuka o
almost market Ejisu better
intelligence at every district level, and this is for by Ukraine almost had the aka ho, you know, national security officers here, you know, see ade we nyina no nanke wo se enya hontie na ne mu so mu bobo ba no amofo wo mu nyina pepe bi di o ma sha mo masu enyansa ohuro na ye kan so a ni nyina kopie free adwuma ni o ma no adwuma solve sa problem we nyina o,
okay.
Ai wo sorry anopa no ya kaniti ewuro adwuma bi mu a hye no working ji akora akọ
oni brema wi
da je be no de kwa ko yesi adwuma ni hu abonsam page ma ma
sure
mama ya womo security no atɔ fam womo mabunu atɔ fam no see ya na hyase fae de bia na me de Nigeria example
right
you know ye maybe see sisi ne ebu ye ne egu so ye maybe see obi pebone adi wo man mu a ne ma obi say no hwe wo hunu say wo mabunu bi wo ho mu ni dwumadie a omu suro moja nso ni me mu ka bo mu a nipa no wadidi no anso wo tabiri wo mu nyina na ne
odo makwende
wo so de hye wo mu no odi ahye wo mu ama you know omu de adi dwuma enti ye hwe no from that angle no na ye hyase ma ye ni mre so my mabunu mabeti keti pa ntini gugu Kwabena ne nsa ho a
o de si fumu
eja wadwo we nkofi na ko bia bonkofi be wo ha ohunu eso adwuma no we wo gina factory bi na e piana de ma no na fa hwila so wo je no de atoa ana wo lodu ade bi e tam create hurima no aso no wiem a wo ye adwuma na wo na ho de aye bibi odi enye sikade abobra enso so adwuma na we etini nyina ko patapa asem no ne akrono sem ene ya galamsi bebu mi ni nyina nso ekọ ene ade adwuma ni o manum eti asem kese
right what can sempa said the national security o base na so mutimi o madwuma ye we see say o effectiveness efficiency in their work na kofem kakra because it's how normal we need to me identify them before it happened there na say yade hadwene but yenko NPP amanyuko no in fact from 2024 a day bano mo defeat na nkasa say still na no e been reconcile ye e been nyanyin to mu say ye lose ankasa say wo bu nkompo ahwe wachi a dey na NPP for mo anhye dan fan to akwa mu ye ama ema sa defeat no e bae because e bi na ye kan enyuma sema kan ho asemi enye ne na ehase and of course in your time you demonstrations how do be so a course for jobs and then no my bi mu chere say almost so pay adwuma ye ne ade and we hope to say one district one factory a lot of things would have happened a better in normal around looking back to 2024 then na a call chill ne dey na lessons amfa this time around we're going to see things different.
Yo, 2024 elections assembly. Ba na ya sem kesi yentam kesi.
Ai krona na ai poyando.
Nyagro. Yentam kesi do. But enti asi wum kakra. Yes, you know, the usual ETS cycle, you know. It's an issue to you know reckon with.
Right.
Would they know so tonchen NPP e bobrao. Yeah, dear. Yenkugu ni nti no anwi ya huni yi. Na nado de meka se ne de no be yese kwa menkroma no. De bi ne bebu ne din. Enye ne. Ni dwumadi yese kwa menkroma. Yes. De bi ne bebu ne din nye ne. Ne meka kire wa wonte ase ye da. Ye ntwen kakra.
E de ne wo. Because nanado de mu say free SHS o ka free SHS is free SHS
that is one of the biggest social intervention program, the biggest asesa wo man we ye fapem rantie yo mu twitwa ensika yin nyina adesua ka ho
adesua
woni akwala ti fie no wonya opportunity ko secondary school pe oba na brabo asesa wa ha wo ba kra wa wo no ko SS ba pe oba pe bu se fere ya badu mu afi wa yi nipa
ba ye hu indiscipline wo schools ni musu secondary schools na bi kre twitwa wo ho se kan na no kra inter competition inter schools
am yi chance wo mu anko bi
okay okay
chance wo mu anko bi of course you know one or two way dey obi obi entity ye performer right, you know, but would they compare time when Ubia and Kauni that's what that's a secondary school bit me a could be
okay,
and that's what me baby out. And we are seamless automatic. We know to me and to us would be in clubs when your teacher be due primary school be. Bones were also na brabono a cratch 7 years.
Right.
Na na make when you akwada wo fie timi dware abonten kra wo de man ko secondary school mbrawe why baba why uraba na krachi semu atie simu atie ono no din kura so ono obi begina bonten atoto ma right bu se afi na brabo no that me who ni said debi na Ghana for tenase na se bufuo bi ni ne bi free wo mani so a ene atro ma menka na saa atro pa ye diti aye no se e free Ghana for nani so a ombe hyase se afi omu esese
adendi atro na nkofudi
ye bobra but NDC for ama Ghana for ehunu ne mani bi ho a ye kan ya se bi ni bi no tena se ne yesi ihwimu a obehunu se na
se ewiase obi numa duro ma yafo
the friend propaganda no
ese mo an nka moton mo ade
to da bia si bre no so a o kan de nkura Ghana for no omunti ombo mutimpa no mabo
ese no mo ya hantan ye kan muntie na se bi
nokre kakra wum e wo ba bia anso e wo bia fi
Mr. Mo frefre honorable mo
nya omo ba ye enche ye mpo service ehu biu obi tina TV so ka say wa wo be share minister bia wo TV8 mu no twa no photo fa no background no wa wo ba ye nura yikura on de na e convoy on kura de na Lexus afi na aba fofora Ghana haim said abram yen sampuni a
ahwan no
wo ba ye uhuni
menye uhuni bakro
ye ade ya yetimide moja ni edrusi so metu fa video ai ekoba ese no mo se Cartoon Network ni ye use de
zipline
afi ai minister no anka sa afi de obedi minister e ko demonstrate bi kire afi o gira o twa no sa so hu video no o se ya afi de dia je Ghana sa neti o sa neti se bi ebru nya do yetumi kura de ntokwa e sha ase de nipa no kura ye ngo no bokunto kwa shasiye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ne ngo no itime de pamu atade ye hye no ema fata no pepepe eme to abetia no enso ntokwa de shasiye yenya eho now a certain president then candidate ekogina SMP so ka say NPP for wo kwa na sa ntokwa no ewo ho ye NPP for ye ne de ono no ba ya fi kura na naturally sa ye wesa na nipa kumu no adoso eso so obi anka ne hwe media for mo anka ne hwe wafa no adi so ye to abetia ya
ka ho asemo
mo se kire ka kire ne se sa bre no obeka se ye NPP ye ni amantokwa no e de share Dr. Mahmoud Baumia efisu wedim se bi ebru se bi nya ado enyo ne bo no ho yankopon ne bo no mampurusini enyo no ane sori ye no se meba mampurusini enunti no ye de share no se ye ye NPP so ndi si ba he ntokwa no anye kese ye kura nche nyame adom ene yewura nyame kese otumfuo etisi mu afidi asutue aba mi nyina ho atoye and I can go on and on and on yes MPP for akromfo sike guo mu mpase eba ndc for by one no matibidi na tum
but clearly there are people almost standard. I mean, your investigations say cause revelations but be plea bargaining. If you person mutu sika krani adia.
Sa na bete.
And ba ku ya yeso omrefia wo mai. Yen hu so asi he ya.
So no yen ka so wabokro no bia.
Omo kan ba no so omo se ne hu so dia nko omrefie ke no foriata. Aja photo samfo.
No dey by force.
But
ubi usususi ubi ayade etia Ghana mra. Unhia na physical presence na adna famra kwan so
ba se no so raise perception say se be uchimu fan a kira manku enti se wonye hwe dia anka brafie no
to da bia wonye hwe so be kwa koye tefra wate aton kukumu yeti wasem mpo na me wunya ma ye kura no ma me hunu sa atentene ne kura nya dia menya bia me bepe die na asase be ni chirifunu sase bi chirifunu wa ma hu se me nya atentene ne na ma sorry ani na ndie ka kwasi bro ni be ka se friend full hardiness
ba Attorney General ka se
me kura menye unya atentere ne unya
ade na munje
unya mfa me nko gina kotu mpo wo bua me fo ana me hu kwan afa so yi chief justice
kotu nko ani timi bua ni pa
me hu kwan afa so yi chief justice free ho obiko ana Ghana mra empene so wansa na ubedi akonya no ka kire yen se ba wo su benya judges se na mo wa ho eno media for John Dramani Mahama man fa ho di mo anka na we ogina simpie so ka say judge for ho nyina ya NPP for no ba ono so be make sure say NDC for nso enya judges eti oba no wo yi chief justice efiri ho say asem a waka dada na asemi wura no se bieburu o meto
so o motivating nkrofo ne se o musu nyina nsu na ko ye law ni bi no o musu atimi aba bench ne so sa na wo ka se o musu nsu ade no o matimi aba bench
eti afede wenya NDC fu afede o mo aba bench no so afede wenya chief justice mi ni mi wura na me meto nkran ni we mu there be that
wow
there be that ko minim se mi nya tentere ne enya de me nya da sasi bi enchiri funu
tiken ohwemu awoma
well menye ne busuani menim ne nwene ye ba be kasa ye me ameti hei na me hwe eno de international law kura ma ho akwanya so ohwe nkomo ekoso no ne ade na otu se wo de ne be ye persecution enye prosecution no ebo nya se wo se oba eni Ghana mra ye adwuma menua
okay
enye adwuma ana mu Ghana mra
but ohwe kwan a te said na wo kan chief justice dia wo de mfatu hu na ohwe mampani sabi untimi fa ne pepre kope enkoso wo yi chief justice free ho ese article 146 and procedure mu no ese unya petition bi ese committee no so afine a prima facie case a chere se bi ewu nyina so na wo ye lawyer ni nso unim enti nyina so no mu akomu ahu se maame no bibi wo ho a wo ye ya anhyeda anko yi enti na twa so omo twe ne free mu me nyi ni se once afa article 146 no so no de ebetimi aka se mampani animra so sa ana
see law no is such that so decide baby our person ukwa ubenya law edo beko you just have to decide where you want to go.
Yes, your constitution in Shadanye.
No, it's not about the constitution, but it's about practitioners of the constitution.
Okay.
What we say woman the Supreme Court hold they are well versed with your jurisprudence and woman bekai say charges here you call it it's too lame. Chief Justice for Akufo so kind. Tianokra money abstaining from even time and all Council of State in taking a decision on petition. But it's too lame. I mean my example. So ni pebia ya di adwuma hye won sa constitution no in respect of removal of Chief Justice. O say adia emu dura egu atemu adwuma no ho fi. Ana adia bi etimi ma wonye wadwuma se otemuafo sebe okofa bibiti say a mere administrative mishap. That is not the contemplation of the constitution. Say yes case be registrar no transfer case no say no the Chief Justice yes won case e wo Ghana nyina you administrative people omo ho a omo ye except say oye head of the judiciary
okay
eno no ye gina so you say watu kwan na wode ne baby aka ho akọ ye tira de wo university mu to dem create me to allowance be ma actually won beba no both auditors na disagree omu disagree at the right to you refund the money yenko kasa wo ye kromfu enti say maame no in good faith think say by this policy me entitled say me nipa ba akọ of my choice etukwan na one ne ba akọ now we think say auditor or whatever disagrees, it's just a matter of writing to the Chief Justice to refund. And yet, what the Constitution contemplates. See, a question idea. Yama and Yama is so shallow, say Chief Justice be without office crown and charge my form more a bit more constitutional misconduct.
But say a jumebia won a policy in Shebia as a faso. And I believe say fa adwuma policies ne hyehyɛ so say utu kwan a say adwuma sika no utimi de ball ba ho bra ana de ball ukunu ho bra ene ne tu kwan no a I don't think say auditors be query and ye nyina nim say institutions are auditors be query say ade we de mo anyi ne ye na say adwuma no structure policies no wabuso me ba cho watching it is a wabuso there na kire say is it that say nipa won ne wo deal no be opa or the bechew because first of all what from ran. Because auditors query it means that we're breachy certain.
Wouldn't say in respect of the Chief Justice one cited any auditors AEBIA.
No, that is we said when the auditor says I don't know said you will see you scan.
No, let me make examples. Even a tertiary institution I mean
right.
You just be written to. Because you received the money in good faith. And that's what and your monies that came to you and you received in good faith. You refund. But the reason said the Chief Justice free. This will be any bank between Manson and Ibuamano and a co-appeal and a judge no a city and a decision a reverse here. And lawyer Nano was our case in also was representing a petitioner in the removal of the Chief Justice. Can you imagine? I'm a crab here lawyer ni enche bibrin fibe ekube duniro. I can count how many times may we need a case at the trial. But a court of appeal they disagreed. Tenono ye grounds say the court say at the end medi bem ewo form. Na afro soro na adane. I don't know say enema ye di Chief Justice.
But clearly not all the petitions no ena ebe can say omo the almost site here about Sikasemi and the other ones no case here I can say court where you know per me the mimi who mu am ready you know it's a nipa case no ko Lucy and wasn't part of the standard say you the koye there but the substance of the issues no mudi gina so that wasn't cited
e ka ho pa no mudi koye there
okay
enti
petition dey obi atimi di gogum I say wudi wura begum ne yim
sa niema we no nyina no na nsen hwe dey see wo parliament pandai
but some so before say be call those side no ye hwe maame Charlotte say the 146 na and said na wo can say constitution no akoye te say bibi da obi atimi de ye de ope no obi so adwe ne say I mean Charlotte say the so say I think they mo follow article 146 na most engineer ye to do something
engineer obi ne na pamfo na te ho eno mo a sha ase so mo kuntokwa eno mo a sha ase so mo counter allegations among one and deputies. And then the substance of those allegations were there for everybody to see.
On what?
Oh, we know. I mean, somebody say being in a union.
Because we treat him and let deputies see a kind of idea. The woman defended herself. And Onususu said no, she acted as the chairperson of the commission in that regard. But still, I mean, she was removed.
Ebia now refi the details of that matter. No, they were even admissions of culpability.
And
yes, even among them. Among it's me all of them.
On what?
Oh, there were plenty. That also.
One of them.
In fact, they don't readily come to mind.
Because as far as I remember, the woman defended herself on that grounds. I can say those. A cano cry, a cast what they Nisika Koye, those things were operational cost. Normal as normally and those that. But we went ahead to say you be in a free zone.
We can have a conversation on that.
Okay. Right.
In fact, the facts don't readily come to.
Okay.
But then, the office of the Chief Justice is the narrative that said, Madame Charlotte saying in the deputies, dinsem kansem to mu achiri yekumu hu di wumu what happened is it like said ewiaye no sa na so is that say yes hadia ene omuka ye ntena he ni won komo
okay
and then the narrative will be say regime bia ba obinya ne Chief Justice regime be an electoral commissioner. So Matisse be absolutely. And say enye nasi kana say NDC for the readily true in no dear any idea any you say regime the office of Chief Justice BI should be terminus with regime and even the electoral commission. And that's what the electoral commissioners won't come up.
That would be unconstitutional.
No see Buboko, it's these are matters here. I think say
but looking at all those things NPP as a party, Sisi Ankasa, you're a member of the party, you've been in the party for a while. Monsheshe said the Musi Ekono. Are you just can say BBSC and no can be as a man said the party is really reorganizing?
Yeah, boy, homode. A boy, homode. Ukwa can see na you know you defeat you in the margins. I defeat you and the entasi ewumpa yanka na yeboa. Right. Yes, we need 400,000, 500,000 gap defeat the view. So we more than 1 million meboa. The near we need to be brew. We need to be brew. Hey, Diana Afro na tefe ya. We need to brew pa nti. Usually party be every defeat sa muba unya some issues internally. You know, yes, internal elections and testimony. Obviously, you see say some chaos be any idea, but these are things that not usual with you in political process, you know. Except you control no be you control no e bit me a year dinini am an effect. But then say this you know the issue baby and this for the BSC pay binumati wo mo pay any idea to the we are because I'm you nigu sanetie you know you defeat mu na wentu to me PDS aba party no mu sane ya netie but the here say betumi ayama na efe say the be ya ibewie no na yen say niam kudu akiri bibiri say isom say yi ni ya enyi tiegu so
DNSS what must change actually
you see me the bia maka and I'm convinced we should be able to change yen komo aye de call 2024 no ebeboa yen it means san komo no ebeboa yen komo no am
dey na mo de call
yen komo no bebre no koye digitization Ghana for nanto.
But say no so na baso technology digital.
Yes, but we gonna say a bibrim ha no. Enye Ghana nko. A bibrim.
Okay.
Your elections basically a bread and butter issues. Digitization here, but yen drew baby the crave no the ordinary man on the street a bread and butter. And sana ya bedwene bibi e ka ho.
Okay.
It is a kwabatuo na unkomo no address dada sitena mu asem ahokyere dada ahokyere ni asetena mu asem se wuni hu nkomo a eni abatuo no menko.
Say it was about the message, not the candidate.
There were also candidate issues.
Okay.
There were also candidate issues if you ask me. Candidate issue no enye se yen candidate no enye but circumstance be amwa no circumstance be na amwa no but no as a person no I mean obi anto minta na hanka say you know you ran no de call you know sebi we ni pabonini anas we nim the left from the right there be
Dr. Baumia.
Yes, but then the circumstances here accompany you know the candidate channel. For instance, say we inherit regime liability ye ton wa edin.
Okay.
Yes. Say we abidi chiri ewo abanda da bi mu. Na ye ton wo say wo no mampanini di we lawyer ni. Enti sikasem onhye de nim hu eyi. Wu mum e na wo de wabrabo nyina wabo no sikasem hu adwuma no waye.
Okay.
Enti di ntia NPP na mpanimfo ho boache agya akomunum no nyina di free 1992 ewo ho na hanso na sebiebru ni eprobi nso a ofiri esremu a ni osremfo so ho mo ni di free 1992 atena di ntia yanko chusu obia na mampanini be yi wo no because you were bringing a certain expertise on board which is economy no awunim ehun sikasem entoto ye eno ba ye nso oye di obetumi the lectures or my any idea man of where did that's war in my 2016 yetimi winning elections, you know. The first 4 term, a boy home modern. The second term sikasem am why and on again men kase nipa ba ko ne boada pa baby. collectively I will not place the blame at the doorstep of one person. Say, NPP.
But within your party,
but the unfortunate issue, they say, because you were seem to be in charge of, and rightly so, economic management head, right, is the vice president. Until you are saddled with that liability. What you say? Say you na woman by you, and you na woman by you, automatically you are saddled with the liability. Say, sikasemu amkuyidia any unwa more humode.
But we didn't see more MPC more Ashanti region, more calling for BSC a permanent. You were calling on Ken Oforiatta to be sacked. And yet Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, because at that time, Namosi economy no said you manage a sika semno and kuye, but your target was Ken Oforiatta. And there are other issues, as you say, Ken Oforiatta, Gabi, other people within the party, and Nanado Namwa himself. Now, Oma hijacky party, and of course, Bawumia couldn't even do anything. And then the suggestions, no, Kokani, for Safuma for recently, crash work as Asemnoa. Why do you still say Yebe Blemuno in that regard?
Don't say time and Kasi Blemuno.
No, like said, you can say, Ebe Kase.
Yes.
Yeah.
So me will be samia me amete ha no me ya manyonu ye yini because me pinsi no meet me pinsi mu but then nkomo e wa bonten no different from the susu se wunim.
Okay.
And the narrative that was driven, they say, as head of economic management team, economy no anko yia e kopim se wo beba be kirim se na me kana finance minister ninti na me kana mampani ninti no wo be kirim be wie ni ato aba na wie.
Okay. Right.
Ena Ghana for no be penny as separate you, I isolate you from the blame. 2024 abani yes how do you know? You know we did it. Trying to pull your candidate from even the president. Said your bayanka liability rest on the president. Kahodi on the we in ejuma. And to say be a boni case near the blame in us one when ye nanka yura no kia no amana ifita ye Ghana for them fee. Tis had no one else out to no pay no. Okay. Finance minister no say no wo and away ade na modia we ye disanko money nyina.
Na amfa.
Ghana for nti on see koka trotro driver ni meet asem nyina all in an attempt to insulate him from the economic tag liability no ana ababeda ho no
e bi nsusu 8-year factor no say 8 years na dey
of course e ka ho but ye really out also the possibility says ababi bana niema timi tuto yie pa Ghana for no minka say they are unreasonable say bi bru no ma ekoyie pa say Ghana ni nka say 8 years no so ana so eti wo ya de kra mato abetia no. If I see that, then I will be imputing unreasonableness on the part of the Ghanaian.
Right.
But then ye problem one sikasemu ye ho kire ye.
Okay.
Ti odo ni abobra ni ayade social intervention program ya ye no the bino man yi be hu ade ananado abran no aye. Infrastructure ye sisi ye with him step on it vet no ye kwakuma dan ko local government university SCSE who you be shocked, you know ni nyina chi no sikasem ye ho kire ye nti e kata ye ni munyam nyina so enu na ama candidate no a odi ye nim ko ye no sikasem no ntansa no asoa no I call it regime liability. Tiama uyi no na wo pese wo koton for the next elections na wo bre na say asama ase adwuma no ya ayefo ama NDC fo because then yakwa said there was one beka na economic record no say bia ye bre no ne da sen na abeda sen we ne da sen ne ababeda sen and so kenikwa so say basa but then you know the propaganda will feed into it. See it Mr. Sayen komo no yes second ni no a ebeboa ye. Yes.
Yes sana ko fa hwan.
You see in the new world order no. Economy the true definition of economy no enye sitting and discussing economic concepts. They say inflation. I bet I need inflation home come NPP for the could do 50 and on board one the about 24 and you try bet ya womo yeah by yeah the bedroom 9 now same crowd here cost 7 so many discussing economic concepts and figures. But we don't discuss them in isolation. They are not an end in itself.
But am I clue to health? To say what the your vitals are.
Yes.
We
be say exchange rate. Dollar no. Omudi cost 17. Omo yeah. And omudi about 14.5 near 12 betia womo and na dey about 10.5. To months my these are things omo twen yes omo dey 2028 campaign. Omo twen yes omo dey no be.
Okay.
In fact, they are even planning buying more gold to bring down the dollar. And say they are in their minds in your campaign message. But this is the clue. When you go to America, the real economy is about job numbers.
Okay.
Yes. Economy being a chance babu nenye juma na bosumi
rate.
Yes.
All right.
Adia ye de share American system normal investors investing in the American system here. The number of jobs are available among Kofuenya BIA. And they call it job numbers. And then the stress are buying a bon home model. So be lose job near job numbers no you lose na a discredit a buying okra. Because in the mind of the American economy ben a chance a babu nenye juma ye na bosumi aso ne tuaneka na hyele butum. Me aso ni ye friend dan koko no. You try Canada sit down cocoa. It's your back pocket.
No, powerful.
Economy be na chain no.
Sure.
Economy no anu no. Enu anu no. Ene ya ye kan say enye kura enti say payday.
Yeah.
So what is anyum no?
Sure.
Enti no. Say ato force and say in their definition of governance no, it is about discussing the figures here. Yeah, the NSA, yeah, 2028 opening new NPP, ye pesi ye dene bano. Na ye nim se memenda, wonbe buami ye dene bano. Ono non komo ye job numbers. Afi ni ye see the real new world order no. Ye the the threshold where the economic progression no is job numbers. Afi ni ye opening Honorable Kennedy Japan we industrialist.
Okay.
Obi bien nyuma. Ama job numbers akosoro enkofo nya adwuma ye.
Oh, so Kennedy
said ye be ya babunu no. Said ye buru anu oni adwuma ye na akodi dollar nkomo a. Yes sura de efo achichidi ntobi. Oni adwuma ye. Unsu di dollar nkomo. Oni said ni ko oni edi nto botom. Unsu di dollar nkomo. The real economy is about jobs, it's about income. Sika saying the wo babunu no botom. Waso awade. Watumi anya sika awade. Ne ma me yawe otimi to the pressure duru ma no onu ankasa kwa otimi feedi.
Okay,
it's about jobs. Now when you say jobs na NDC dey win 2024 elections oh yawe 24-hour economy no mo kan na yesere wo mo no edi yenya papa na mimi hui obu try so mu chirem no mu timi chirem na yesere wo mo se na akunye.
Okay,
because babu no wo ni adwuma ye. And John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, new Rebecca me say, look, reception is not a passport office one. Say the no beba no panu upon 2. Na before floor, before baby floor, no so beba 2. You upon 8. Na 8 no so before baby floor, no so beba juma. No so upon ahomache 6. It's one job, 3 shifts, 3 persons. One job, 3 shifts, 3 persons. They know me number one no. One job, nipa miensa. Ejuma ba akunu nipa miensa na ebeye. Mu nyina ebetua muka. Ene to mebunu ni tirim. No musu hu se juma na mprempre mu de omuhia. Ejuma no muhia. Ene to mu tirim. Eno mukoto abade de ba NDC.
Right.
Ene yeti parliament yi si anxiety policy document ba kokura no ye comprehensive yipa ye hu se 24-hour no ha na ye fo na no majority leader be ka kire say si ye twen si ye be hu no say sikabotini bi ni ne wo budget no wasi ye di wura 24 yinum de ye boa Honorable Gusitano ehunu ba ko pe parliament obey presentation kire yen on the 24 if you oji boom ehunu bio ubisa we can different thing ubisa we can different thing omuntumi nye 24-hour economy no mababunu bi anya adwuma nye but then omuton ma ne to amanfo tirim e dia na e ka kire yen e ka kire ye say 2028 abanu aye kono is about jobs. It's about jobs. We are minor mabunu do so a de we hear ye dwuma na de bema wo mu omo so na to abapa meme joso as at the last census na ye over 74,000 as at the last census,
right?
We are over 74,000 and they me sure are double, you know. Ejuma be na be to take care of all these people. 2028 is about jobs. Na nipa nunu a omo piri we NPP mu no. Why na maburu ni nyina anim so pani we de ne adwuma bie. The question needs not, you know, be asked. It's so conspicuous, everybody knows. Say Honorable Ken na ye industrialist obi nyuma. Na ninia mami fa quickly mi fa we nka ho.
Right.
When him say Ghana said ye bu ye man no afa no. Economic structure no aye de ye adwuma bepim sa abiri no. Ye nsesa no da. Enti na am ye ho kire ye. Abai bia ba your resources say what sort of power ton good or ton kuku no anya sika we are no age taxes aka ho bia ka de bosia nti nine we yawo we ya minua Alex Ampabe former deputy onna, you know, or share more light on sadi we ma metiasi yi pa 9 ya na yatena ho a aka enunu a enu nesesa agoro no enu so ne enye obi amane meye maye industry
okay
enye obi amane mamaye emi enwuma ema mabunu nya bi nye emi enwuma entu bi nye na wonim say sa dollar problem here ye wo here ye the gold board na solve no a eni e de kaba no wonim say wo dollar cedi problem a say u ton gold the enya dollar they solve sa problem no interim measure. That is not the permanent solution. Ti I that gold board wa omu mandate ye dia mo omu anso omu making sure say there be omu nya dollars from the sale of gold no. I had none ye de ba be show up aba ye see the no ntimi ento form no. Ye ho be kire ye. So what is o maboka? E can buy ye no gold board say nyom Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana so say it can't sit in their books. Until now we don't know where to even apportion sa ekano. Because that is not supposed to be the mandate. Adia ye de solve currency dollar cedi problem. Eye industrialization. Bienuma na ye production. Na u kosisa dollars e no bi dia ko China ko fa handkerchief containers ma na ye dia baga na ha ba betonwa. We see the bed agina. Handkerchiefs. Common handkerchiefs. You ko fa na China ne yinum na ye dia bawo.
Toothpicks.
You know? Now we are with the mandate na koma gold board say munton gold bebre ni nya dollar. Obeboka. Esa cry dangerous because gold no here dollar ni bebre nti gold no ko beton no fo. Be hedge bi rough beton no fo. Afi we kura no a the friend environmental compliance e won't me galamsey for the ba obeto because we here gold no. Meanwhile, the story is there for us to learn from. Diamond nti ko bi man bo omo kuntokwa mankoma no yabo. E was here shasi international standard gold no same free and environmental, you know, compliance source or any source yeto. But we here dollar no nti mo nyina mo famra na mento me here na wo to gold nya dollar no e dia na wo ma for kidney any liver diseases. The solution is in industry. Yemie nyuma na yem produce na yankofa bi wo bi maso na obi nso kura mefa bi wo maso ni nya forex ni bi. That's the solution. Honorable Ken Nedeba.
But for clarity's sake, you know, IMF almost statement on gold board HSA is a good initiative. They are buying their banner omo report on data. They cited losses here and they didn't mention in any part of the report say a gold board ne boss aka no. That should be a fact that needs to be stated. But omo can say omo and reorganize omo structure ni ye say be ya ombe hu baby a kano specifically ebia free, but the report actually didn't state gold board as say waboka. That one should be clear. And then I'm pese yenya clarity wa hakakra. But the initiative as gold board on so the so IMF et out to say a great initiative, which is a good thing for the economy.
No, but what can one can you?
He said that true.
But
Bank of Ghana and that's I didn't show more. But the report didn't state say gold board aboka. That one should be a fact.
My confused too.
For
books. That's the question.
The Mexican. Yes. Oyisika say yenkodi dwan. Ono na ye ho akonta kire no. Nti ono na obeka se books no ni sika no. Oye ho akonta.
Okay.
To ono na konta buo mu kire IMF no. Eka kakra ewum. Na eka na ewum. What the IMF can maybe can IMF.
Okay.
Aha, the no can. Say over the years, so more that comparative, you know, truthful. Say almost so bit me amasa operations, number review, no makakra emu. Now your policy and operations beyond so definitely be but the thing we want to take out and they say IMF report now stating emphatically say gold board akobokasi. That should be clear with us.
Very well.
Right.
A cow gold board say a Bank of Ghana because we're going to supply.
Yeah.
You know. Bank of Ghana so any say on one on your business or the business for gold board.
Right.
And I tassel, right? But whatever it is, or man for no yaboka, Ghana boka, a cow baby. Okay, Matthias here. And see, Minia, we need that fourth dimension. Which is industry. Ebi pa Ghana ha usi abonten obi enim se nyuma bie de Yankopon de hira no ene wona bo Kennedy Japan.
Right.
Enunti na ama message na yesi medi na chi. Na me kamfo no ama Ghana delegates nyina NPP delegates o mko akoto aba. Said ye o man no hia ni mpempremu. Professor Bidi nkomo bi na eme de pa. O say ansa na economists bi benye sika atoto sika na wose sika no bi duru ansa na yenye obi ama na toto. And sika no is from wealth creation, is from industry. And so wose industrialists need creative wealth no. The sika no be duru economy no mkura ya adwene se hwan na betimi atoto sika na maye. Emprempremu aye we die abusuafo.
But Kennedy were issues kakra. Some mo koton no.
Obia
in terms of a beach character. Ni suni ne ban so wo hwe said you will see fa edidi atem ene ne kokko said ye ben no ne ade a e bi kire se sa de no so mo koton no a e be ye den ene mo opponent na etwan se mbe yi na pie for instance utie Kennedy e bi ti se so so on president edi
now bam chen e be so be president who person advice it is stop at him they are foolish. If the president I go chop, if the vice president I go chop. It be my work.
Edi utie insults no many no maybe a corner recent yikura no akaka say em say nkofu bi ba omiamu twa ntro ne ade a obo raising the signature bi oso bi akọ sign the party o mka say enye no kure ni ade nyina people are raising concerns about the character
say obi ekas obi assign ni place na enye no kure character issue
say as what be di ne ho ntro so enye no kure wa be kan gu nipa de mu ase so enye no kure. Say enye papa o
na empenifo ba
asa wonya ade na me se waye
empenifo no ba ye say what nkomo mbedi ye kombedi nkomo say they were concerned even with the forms but me cry these things are diminished.
Kwabena Japan edi bank side
well that is another conversation altogether. Obia one agenda wo de ye adwuma wo de it the same form no national executives ni bia gia tum say oh na there were some omissions that was say correct and they did it. I mean those things I don't think
but also be a sign was side na enye no kreso de e hadwen as we go ni pani
who say enye no kre
because
no na ade no kura no hwe so no na ade no kura no e no hwe so e no hu de wo hu no woka. Those things don't go into character, they don't.
What about the insults, attacks?
But your insult be ya
e bi na mabachi we. If be president I go chop.
Yes.
They are fools.
E no kura ma me trusted more.
Why?
wonim di ntia enkrofo ka se ade enkrofo ye no a enye no Mr. President menka wo ka wo monto aba ma wo ade we ya enkrofo no ye ne nyine nim se nye enso ka wono tum enam abato ne nti na say what abato nti ade ekoso ne nya nka manuntum all because me pe vote to free enkrofo ho na me mampani die ne ma me bibidi ana and asem no kan so ye no kre ye nyina ye nim se Honorable Kennedy Japan ohia mampani ansa na sebe ka eye papa wo wiase wanya bi adem ka bia ni eye papa wo wiase e woni bi sebe nya afei ni wo bedi mampani anya dan papa adem sebe nya afei na wo bedi mampani abenya abrabom ahohoaho bia o ni nyina dada to onu no timi nya the confidence to say enya mampani no ami bedie no na ebe ma me bibia di o eti se nunti na no kure pa da ho bi ese me nkama no ntum dia enya mampani na me bitwitwa awe me go die me twitwa awe dada ti ka obusa me no kure ma me nya ne mu gidie mo dan obia na me nia na wo ka atem didie you see ewiase aye wo no obia wo mereyo
okay
ye nyina obi tu no ho cheso wo be pretumia ye yi ne mire yo pie asif se ye de sa mire yo no ayi ni bi miru ama mi musa wo wadama ebire bi edua mo obi obi atempen
menkai
pato kwa asore ben
menkai
kwa asore ben
me kwa Assemblies of God
hey gaga
watch out
assembly for the ye kano kure papa Assemblies of God wadama ubuo fuama wa kaseti ya ubi pen frisi ya wu abe wiase
oh frisi ya wu mi amba wiase
wa ibi pen
ebi ame mofra brem die
ba wonyini ye die
woni nyini ye die be kama adwena kyerɛw but sat
adwenkyere no nso ni asɛm no obi a wo sɛ die wo fa wo kana adwene Yesu Kristo mpo ye wurade Nyankopɔn wa ye nyina ye so mo wo se hurutiama that was the apex of derogation.
Yes, Yesu di atem.
Jawajo. When did he attempt to Yesu Kristo? Do you know what that means? She obaro ko Yesu hono a okopa yarisa no. Yesu say aduane ye de ma emma ye mfa man kraman ma. Okay. Yesu Kristo o ka tire oba no.
Sa abebuom.
Abebuom. O ka tire me say ayarisa no a wo ba be pa free me ho no. Eya aduma chede a ye ma no dia ye mfa man kramama. No person o ka tire ma me no say wo ye gentile. Wo free Abraham asini mu.
Nsa ya bebu.
Debi enya bebu Yesu Kristo asem no na me ka tire wo no wo say.
Na so wo kire so mo ye nkraman.
Yes, wo equate ma me no to kraman ba. Wa ka bu be fukura no adidi Yesu atemu akọ. Wo mas ma me no kan ye. O mi wura. Misre wu. Se manu didi ewia asiem propro wa no. Se nkama manu so timi fedi o. Yesu Kristo say obey. Ehunu obi a wo gidi eti se wo Israel mu. Na saka na yare sa do obe. Yesu Kristo kra de wani atemu nko awu. Wo se brimu ma. Mo so no abu kredidi matem. Yesu Kristo de obrimu wo mu. Wo twa na aso dem okupi o na no to ade no. Se Bible na nka se mema nko na na to ade o.
Wa nchirimu su se ma ka ho.
Wa nim mema nso amfirim. Wa nka se de ma ni ho. Wo se no mu di dwa. Ti che se ma ni mema nyina na di dwa. Wo ti se yesi Yesu bro mema no no ja ma no. Bible so twim pre mfia disi wo mo.
Na se Yesu no wo pre se nipa be kosoro eye nkwaje entia. Wo fu de tumi no wo pre asase Yesu.
Tumi. Woni mpɛn bebree a Honorable Ken ebuofu akasa woni de na ama na kasa ame fa no wan fa nkyerɛ o baabi okoka sɛ NPP fo ebinum nim nyansa no kro nim bi nti a wo join party no ene de ye ntansa de ase ne kum o ka regional chairman bi a yekuhwi acid gu no so ekun no wosire mu no woni de oda so hwɛ ne ma bepem sabri you see community bi wo hɔ no mu a MPP mu yekuhwi acid gu obi so e ma ne nkwa hwere no ono abuken betena TV so sui out of it no obi yaudi eka eniyeme bi
okay
wo kai se nkrofo ko record wo ma bo osafomafo wo kofo dua gabi ochida ko fie ankomo ana osafomafo di ni kwa so se ba bonten okoka se Ohe Ghana bako semuni NPP mpa. Uhu sa chimfo na bogana ho bra pa chance antefo. Sa nkomu we ni kwa so se ba bontim. Ebi opani no kra kan se bi ni kwa so so ka. Ba party fo na wo se mu hu nyansa. Ehu se fitie mu nkomo. Asem we kwa bontim a party ni begu. Woni bebi asem ko duru ye. Ekoya himfie mpu nsem. Meti radio so timi nkom bebri. Mitimi nkom bebri. Kaye party ni ye gu sa asem beda Eastern region ni Asante region temu a. Two regions e di win elections. Ye party na gu. Enne ma ono aboken betina TV so na ne buofu na di party fo na tem so mu ko yes ade no mu ye na nyansa de nti enu ni nti e beka so di party fo nyina tem na me ye fi ona mu hobi me ma me no awoko ka se ono aboken didi o mu nyina tem no o mu kofodu aho no mu ho e o mu na record ye enye wo mu a but amanyosem nti ye beka frat se de na se on video bi ana ono aboken ye twa video ni fifi baby see eni e ka se na ono abuken din komo bi se se bi bru se bi nya ado na akufu ado obi se na no milk ya na enkofo se na akufu ado na no odi na tem miwa ne ye opani bi a wo se wosia na airport opani no didi na na ado atem ena ono abuken ni narrate se de opani no ka asem no
right.
No se no ntia se opani no yes na Ghana contract nso bibribi NPP for the amano yakutwa ho e de ka se Ken edidi na nado atem mini ana woni Ghana hana obabunu bia baba wo bia wo muhwe mferi wo bia wo Ghana ha wodi na akufu ado to tankurum anu di na tem so bia ankoka won hwe wo
right
onipa wo mu ene ne diko sie ni no ene yeso wo mu didi matem wo mu no didi na akufu ado atem de eno de NPP yenka.
So opese we leader.
You see, everything ye no.
We leader no kura intimi mfi wo.
Ye mpe no kura nimia. Ye man no ye team no o ka no kura ye town. Me metie me se na akufu ado wo ye me grandfather. Dr. Mamuba womia wo se na akufu ado ye ne papa.
Right.
It is will be do papa tem na wo ntimi ankoko anye no a. De wo mu ne ababa wa no ko fi so. Eji wo papa no free ababa wa ne nsem no enne ye de aye ntansa se wo no adidi maatem na me udidi papa atem na mfa ache wo pambre no a me betu ejom me betu afuom so wo ahihye ya meso awo me ko wo pipe wa no so abu nso a me meso awo we didi me papa atem wo mfa ache wo pamai na me wo ye adwuma na mama wo ye campaign ama me
honorable
hey
I didn't see every now. Or final words to Ejisu my Asante
yes. Abusua honorable Ken wo mere yo te se woni pada se ni bia. Obi mere yo ne se ade ese kura wo ntumi nka no aka na no atum. E fe na no mum obi mere yo no. Obi mere yo ne se ade chia ade ankrofo ye nye enso ne ka ye ne dene sa mre yo no so ye tumidi ama wo pa enye o amemwo wo de koma wo bia wontumi ntia ne no kure ma pempei wo de manu adue obi mre yo no enye se nipa no ye nipa boni ni na nso ono so asem ka ye ne dene obi nso de ne se wo hu sa ade no chi a na koma ba me de wo bisa mi anka me pe se nipa no de wo hu se bibi ko enko yi ana na koma ba no me pe no
right
ono aboken wo mre yo te si ye nyina da ye butimi fu to do bia ye yira ye da wo mu da ye chi ye butimi fu kura me ye ka se wo kura wo ba mi ni bi nti a me wa wo enso ye bo wu ade sa bo se wa wo kopre no wo hu ye nyina da ye wo mre yo na mom enipa no so ahoden ye de bi enti ne enko hwe
right
ono so na ahoden ne se na brabo mu mpo wa bi enuma ba aduo mu enti ye manu akwanya obebi enuma ma ye dollar no ada bia ye nya problem mu afedi ye nso ye be export niema emaburu be nya adwuma ya makro no so ate enti wo sise bi eburu ne bu akofu obi ama wakoka bi a kire no nti no obebi enuma ma Ghana maburu nya bi yo a enya na
right
mo adawo ma memenda bo mi entoma ono abu Kennedy Japan number 1 na omedi NPP ni mi enye tumi
All right. Honorable Stephen Ajeti Mensah say, I just can't stop listening to this man whenever he's speaking. Wow. Kofo also say, Honorable Kwabena Boateng is a person who you like to listen at all times. One of the few in the minority side that makes politics attractive. Honorable, thank you very much.
That's a
come on, after the elections. Sure. Honorable Kwabena Boateng Esquire, MP for Ejisu constituency, and Otin and Kasi and then a fantastic discussion and nano pay. Everybody is here.